Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Decoding and defeating the JavaScript void 0 error in JavaScript. The JavaScript void 0 you see in your browser's status bar or sometimes as the href attribute of a link element is not technically an error in the traditional sense. It's more of a placeholder or a way to tell the browser do nothing when a link is clicked. However, it often indicates an underlying problem in your JavaScript code or your interaction with HTML. Seeing it frequently suggests that the link is not behaving as intended, and you need to investigate the cause. This comprehensive guide will break down the meaning of JavaScript void 0, explain why you might encounter it, and provide detailed solutions with code examples to fix the underlying issues. What is JavaScript void 0? The anatomy JavaScript is a special protocol used in HTML attributes, primarily